Hello everyone, my name is Irina. I'm a yoga teacher. Recently, a few of my friends asked me how to release tension in the neck, and I decided that it would be more beneficial if I will make small practice for that. I hope it will help you. Enjoy, please. You can do it on a chair, on the mat, at work, at home, whatever is comfortable for you. Let's start at a comfortable position. I prefer legs crossed. You can sit as you feel comfortable. You can use a cushion. I'm using yoga mat. You can use blocks or without anything. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Try to let go everything what were you doing before and what you're planning to do after the practice. Try to be here and now. Bring your attention to your inner world. How do you feel emotionally? If you feel anxious, just make your exhale a bit slower than inhale. On the next inhale, open your eyes. Bring your left hand to the mat. Inhale, raise the right hand up, and exhale, bend to the left side. Feel how stretching your right side. Take a few breaths here. Feel how your right side expands, and on exhale, your left side shrinks. One more time, inhale, and exhale. On an inhale, coming up to the center, and swap the hands. Inhale, left hand going up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, feel how left side expands. And exhale, right side shrinks. On a next inhale, coming up to the center and bring hands to the side. Inhale, right hand going up. Exhale, bend to the left. You can slowly, very gently turn your head and look to the right arm. Inhale, coming up. Release the hand to the mat. Inhale, left hand coming up. Exhale, bend to the right. Slowly moving to head to the left and looking to your arm. Inhale, coming up to the center. Exhale, release the hands. Smile a little bit. It's already enjoyable. Inhale, raise the hands in the front. Exhale, twist to the right. Use your belly core for this twist. Grow through the crown of the head up. And exhale, bring the hands down. And you can go a little bit deeper to the twist. Breathe to the belly. Imagine how your body expands to all sides, to the front, your back opening, your sides. Inhale, raise the hands up, and on exhale, coming back to the center. Exhale, release the hands. Inhale, raise the hands up. Exhale, twist to the left. And bring the hands to the leg. Inhale, raise the hands up and bring to the center. Exhale, hands to the knee. And take a few breaths, just centering yourself. Just feel how a little bit already your muscles started moving and some tension already released. And just let's go and scan our body. Now you could feel some places with tension, and just when you feel it, just exhale to that place. Just inhale to the nose. And imaginary you have some tension. I have, for example, in the right shoulder. And I exhale, and I imagine that I'm exhaling through the right shoulder. In this way, we're bringing attention to that place, and our brain could somehow do research what's going on there and give some signal. Oh, it's some tension there. Let's relax it. One more inhale and exhale. You can close your eyes or you can look on the front of you in 45 degrees, like on diagonal. And let's start slowly rolling our shoulders. We're rolling back. Inhale. Exhale. One shoulder is going back. Inhale. Exhale. Try to bring as close as possible your shoulder blades when you move shoulders back. And feel this lengthening through your spine all the time. Take one more time. And changing direction. Really push your shoulders to your ears, forward, down, back, up, forward, down and back. And let's do it a few more times. You can do it a bit faster if you want, or slower. Try to feel what your body needs. And let's do it different direction. Right shoulder going back and left shoulder going up. Like a little bit dancing. And this way you already do self-massaging for your area between your shoulder blades. And changing. Yep. A bit confusing. And just relax. Push your shoulders to your ears. Push, 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 push. And relax. One more time. Inhale. Push your shoulders to your ears. Push, push, push. And relax. And let's do it one more time. And relax. Let's give ourselves a big hug. We already done very good job. And you're hugging yourself. You really try to open place between your shoulder blades. Really bending, pushing and stretching muscle there. Plus it's very nice for our brain. For our brain doesn't matter if someone hug us or we hug ourselves, it's still very nice. And I believe so endorphins are producing, but I could mix the names of that hormones. In any case, it feels good. Inhale, open the chest and stretch your fingertips far away from yourself. Tug your chin in, stretching up. And exhale, and again, bending our back, folding forward. One more time, inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And release the hands to the knee. Tuck your chin in and bend your head forward. Imagine that someone pulling you to the back side of the head and you like rolling on your chin. Stretching back side of the neck. Inhale, raise the hands up. Interlace the fingers and bring it to the back of your head. Do not push to your head, just use a weight of your hands. It should be pleasant. If you feel any kind of pain, just go back till moment where was it pleasant, or at least without pain. And relax. Breathe deeply. On inhale, release the hands and slowly let your neck coming up to the center. Feel lengthening in your spine, grow through the crown of your head up. And turn the head to the right. Imagine that you have a horizontal line, or you like drawing horizontal line by your nose. You keep your shoulders slightly back and down. And on inhale, you turning your head to the right. And stay here for 2 deep breaths. Your shoulders in one line. Try to avoid twisting. Just straight back. And keep attention to your lower back. Just to try to keep it not bending, not like hinging forward. Just for slightly pushing our tailbone forward. On the inhale, we're coming back on a horizontal line to the center. And we do the same to the left side. Inhale. Exhale. And smile. Just release that tension from your face. Breathe to the belly. All body expands to all sides on an inhale and shrinks on an exhale to the center. On the next inhale, coming back to the center, and exhale, release. Let's a little bit walk our hands forward. Bring your forehead to the floor. And inhale, feel how your back expands. And exhale, coming back to the center. Feel lengthening through the back. Push your chin. It's like on a diagonal, a little bit forward and up. And feel this lengthening of that muscles of your neck. And breathe deeply to your belly. Your shoulders down and slightly back. And when you feel that that's enough, you slowly bringing your head to the center and relax. Imagine that someone pulling up your ear, and you feel this lengthening, and on some kind of arch because of that pulling, you bending your head to the right and relax. Feel stretching in the left muscles of the neck. Just inhale and feel how your left side is opening, expanding, and on exhale, your right side of the neck shrinking. Then put your hand to the left side of the head. Just do not to push, just use the weight of your hand. And you can stretch your left hand to the side, or you can leave it on the hand, or on the leg, or under the leg. And feel the stretching. You can a little bit bend to the right side. Or you can do like this, you're pulling your hand further and you're stretching your side. Release the hands and imagine that you're really pushing top of the head to the up and up on some kind of arch. We're coming back on inhale to the center. And let's do the same to our left side. Imagine that someone pulling you to the tip of your ear. And you're bending your head to the left. And relax. Take a few deep breaths. Bring your attention to the right side of your neck. Inhale with the hand and put it on the right side of the head. Push your right hand further from you or put it under the leg, and you can a little bit shift to the left. And use the weight of your hand just to make stretching a bit deeper. If you feel any pain, just come back to the moment where you don't have any pain or discomfort. Release the hands and coming back to the center. Turn your head on like 45 degrees. Let's say this is 90, this is 45. To the center of your collarbone. Just tuck your chin in and bend your head. It's like you would like to touch your collarbone, middle of your collarbone, by your nose. And stretching back side of the neck. Breathe deeply. Inhale, coming back to the center. And do the same opposite direction, just to the back, like a little bit 45 degrees to the back, and push your shoulder slightly. Shoulder pushing to the back of our head. Then relax, coming to the center, and one more time stretching forward. And push your shoulder back on diagonal. And coming back to the center. Let's do the same to the left side. Turning head 45 degrees. Tuck your chin in. And bend forward to your middle point of collarbone. This is collarbone. And we try to touch it by our nose or chin. Our nose actually. Because chin is tucked in. On an inhale, coming back to the center. And bend our head back to the 45 degrees and pushing our shoulder to the back of our head. And relax, coming back to the center. Turn our head forward again. And pulling our shoulder down and our face forward to the collarbone. On an inhale, coming back to the center. Just imagine that on the front you have some, like, I don't know, some horizontal I feel already so spaced out, to be honest. Just imagine that you're drawing a circle by your chin. To the left side and breathing deeply. And to the right side. And relax. If you feel like you would like to bend your head forward more or backward, just allow your body show you what it needs. And let's do massage of few points which helping to release muscles around our neck and upper part of our chest. Between, like, where we have this collarbone is finished and shoulder blades, shoulder joint starts, we have some kind of notch here. And we put 3 fingers in and we're really like pushing directly to our body and making circles. And it should be painful, maybe not critically painful, but it should be painful. And we do these circles for 1 minute. Depends on you what direction, what's comfortable for you. And really all the time pushing forward, deeper, going deeper to our body. And breathing. And smile. Swap the sides. We're finding this notch between shoulder joint and ending of collarbone. We put 3 fingers in and really pushing till we feel the pain, and then we're circling. We can help ourselves by different hand and circling. You can do it for 1 minute, we can do it for 2 minutes. Lengthening through the spine. Try not to slouch. And different point, we have this big muscle between, you could feel it like it's always painful, and you just try to find by your fingers where is the most painful point, and you press in this way, the same by 3 or 2 fingers, you press down and you circling. It should be painful, but after this muscles are releasing. It's good ready to the head, to the back. You can sigh just to release deeply, deeper. And swooping, finding again. It's one side could be in a different place, it could be more tight. You for sure will find this point. It's like we can exhale with open mouth to release tension, and pushing all the time down and making circles, going deeper to our muscle. you're tired to sit cross-legged, you can stretch your legs. And the last point is where we have our muscles on the face. It's like very close to this triangle on our jaw, and just you can put 3 fingers. You can actually, when you open your mouth, you will feel it. It's really strong muscle, and just massage it for 1 minute in a circle. This muscle quite often tense and very tight. We keep a lot of stress there. And slightly open your mouth and massage for 1 minute. Then just tap all around your neck, your shoulders. And just give some time to yourself, just breathe deeply, lengthening through the spine. Inhale, straight, lift your hands to the horizon, really push far away from yourself. Close your big finger inside, and on inhale, open your chest. Try to really push your sternum forward. Imagine that someone pulling you different direction. And exhale, round the back. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, round forward. Inhale, open the chest. And exhale, coming to the center. Lift your right hand up, bend it behind you. This is already a very nice stretch. Try to really push your elbow up and stretch this area. And bend your left hand behind you. And just open the chest, push your shoulders back. It could be big distance between your hands. It could be like this, for example. It could be like this. Whatever comfortable to you. Someone could grab fingers. It could be this. The main point, you pushing your elbows up and lower elbow down and opening the chest. And you inhale and exhale. Two more breaths. Tug your chin in. Try to avoid this pose. Tug your chin in. Grow through the crown of your head. Push your elbows different direction, up and down and back. And release the hands. Exhale. You can move a little bit your shoulders. Push your fingers forward, round the back. Inhale, push them back, open the back chest. Inhale, exhale, full forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And we do the same. On an inhale, open the chest. Exhale, rounding forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale on the center. And left hand coming up, stretching left side, pushing your left elbow up. And right hand going behind you, pushing your right elbow down and pushing both of them back. If you could grab your fingers, that's perfect. But if they're far away from each other, just pull them different direction and bring them back. This is very good. And push a little bit forward your tailbone. Do not hinge in your lower back. And smile. Breathe deeply. And release the hands. And again, hands going forward, rounding the back. Inhale, opening the chest, hands going behind you. Exhale. Inhale. And release the hands. Slowly walk your hands forward. And release your forehead on the floor. Inhale and exhale through the open mouth. Inhale. Slowly moving to the right side, stretching back, left side of the back. Coming back to the center and moving to the left side, stretching right side of the body. And coming back to the center and coming up, pushing, walking your hands to the center, to you. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much. And say to yourself, good job. Have a great day.